So today I will be staying at the Baymont Inn in Richmond, which doesn't even have the sign up. It was a Best Western. Actually, it was a Best Western when I booked it last year. I'm early, so I don't know if I'll be able to check in yet or not, but I'm going to go see if they'll let me in early. So the Baymonts are owned by Wyndham now. Here's a peek at the hallway, and it's one of those tap. So we're gonna go in. So now a tour of the room. It's kind of small. And we have the bathroom, but I can't complain too much because they actually gave me a phone call and they switched me from second floor to first floor. They have a grab bar in the shower, which I like, and there's the shower and a horse. Horse is a horse, of course, unless it's Mr. Red. So as I said, it's pretty small. They like their horses. Richmond is where Eastern Kentucky University is, but I probably won't do a walking tour of that. I'm probably just going to chill here tonight. Plenty of restaurants, but I'm not going to go out to eat. I think I'll eat in the room. And there's the TV, closet, your luggage, the air console, a light, and they do, I think they got the, what do you call those, for the computers, and some lights by the bed, and then there's a light. Oh, there's the refrigerator and microwave. I was getting concerned. So, and a coffee pot. And it looks like they have an ice machine, which is good because I'll have to load my cooler up with ice. So this is pretty much the room. As I said, I got a king-size bed. Handicapped traveler should live like a king, right? And as I said, I like the fact I never had a hotel call me before and ask if they could make any adjustments or any special needs. So that was cool. And so I am going to say thumbs up. The bed seems comfortable. 4 pillows, which is good, and they look decent size, fluffy. Chair with a TV type table, I guess, and then a desk. So overall, pretty good. Thank you all for watching this. If you can, give that thumbs up. And there's another luggage thing. But remember, if you need a cane, which you're looking at, a walker, which I have in the car right now, wheelchair, whatever you need to help you live life to its fullest. It's not making you handicapped. It's making you handy capable. Thank you all. Have a great day. God bless.